another coffee machine today. Is a Sage Barista Dual boiler, and yeah, I got it from a guy who said that steam doesn't work, and if you turn it on, you see it starts heating, and if I turn the steam control, it says 3 beeps. That is quite famous for these machines. But what is interesting, when I just got it, so it was quite a long time without water, without use. It actually produced some steam, so I think that the thermal fuse is okay. And let's look inside and see what I can do about it. Okay, I opened it, and what I see here, that there is a lot of signs that steam was leaking here inside for quite some time. There is a lot of rust, some salt traces, and also you have some condensate here under the screen. So it was like extremely humid inside. And first I have to clean it all and check all the connections, and make it look more beautiful before I try to find the problem. Several days passed. I disassembled the machine, cleaned it a bit, and look what I wanted to show. Here on the boiler there is this thermostat and a thermal fuse. And thermostat is rated to 152 degrees Celsius. So if the boiler gets warmer, the thermostat cuts the circuit. But if it's not working properly, the current goes through and gets to this thermal fuse that is rated to 155 degrees Celsius. And if this one is not working properly and the boiler gets overheat, then this one gets blown. I assumed that this one is okay and this one is okay, and the thermal fuse also okay, because when I got the machine, it was producing the steam, and I disassembled. I connected the multimeter and set the sound on the multimeter, and you can hear that the current goes through this thermostat or thermal switch. There is a suggestion that if you disassemble the machine and you work on a boiler, to replace this one, because after some time they are not working properly anymore. But I don't have a spare one, so I keep this one as it is. And at the moment, I think what actually happened, that the steam was leaking from the steam probes. It was really humid inside the machine, it was really warm inside the machine. So this strike board got cooked, and on optocouplers I see some traces of I don't know, water or something, steam. And the plan now is to assemble everything back, replace all the O-rings, and completely resolder the strike board. The strike board can be replaced, the whole, it's cheap, but I have the spare part, so I will just resolder it, and then I see how it goes. I assembled the machine to try to start and to see how it works. And what I saw, that the steam is leaking through the steam probe with a very thin line of steam, but not from where the sealing ring, but from the middle of the probe. This one I think. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna order the probe set, and also this sensor, and also the thermostat, because I'm not really sure now that it works. As I saw that the machine, when it wasn't in use for quite some time, the steam started to produce, the steam boiler started to produce the steam, but now it seems that it's off. So I don't think that the triac board is a problem, but maybe the thermostat is misbehaving. So I'm gonna take the steam boiler out again and replace the thermostat. Yeah, you can see that this one is resoldered already. I put all 3 new optocouplers, all 3 triacs yesterday, and yeah, now I need to wait for some days for parts to be delivered. Then I will try to take it out, replace everything again, and see how it goes. Good day, everyone. I'm here with a final report on the machine. Yeah, you see it's up and running. And yeah, I replaced the probes, and it's not, yeah, you see the steam is not leaking now. I serviced the valve. The valve is also good. Yeah, I'm gonna also replace PTFE gaskets later, but for now it's good. And the board is like new. There was an issue that the most right one, the one is responsible for the group head heating, was short circuit, but I fixed that and the group head is heating properly now. Yeah, and look at the steam. Works like a charm. Yeah, I'm using it for several days already. Yeah, it's working, so it's gonna stay here for a longer time. So yeah, that's end of the story. The lid is open just for demonstration, and I will put the lid back and it will sit on my kitchen. Good luck, everyone.